Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of presentation is family Rosaceae. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the family Poaceae, family Fabaceae, family Asteraceae and family Solanaceae. So today we are discussing about the Rosaceae family. So as usual we will discuss its size, distribution, occurrence, habit and habitat, vegetative characters, floral characters and economic importance. Okay, so let's start our lecture. Worldwide, this is one of the most important family. Okay, as you know that their members are peach, plum, apple and raspberry and blueberry. They are very important. They are used worldwide. Okay, so let's start the lecture. It has 110 genera and 2,100 species worldwide. Okay, they are cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan means they can be found everywhere. Okay, the apple, strawberry, peach, plum and roses, they are found worldwide in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Australia and Mediterranean regions as well. Okay, but they are mostly dominated in the colder regions at higher elevations, in mountainous areas and mostly found in the northern areas of Pakistan, mostly in Swat, Dir Upper, Dir Lower, Chakral, Abbottabad, Mansehra, Gilgit-Baltistan, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Hazara Division, Malakand Division, Gilgit-Baltistan and mostly in northern areas. Okay, habit-wise they are herbs. As you know that strawberry is a herb. Some are shrubs. Rosa indica, Rosa multiflora, Rosa alba, they are shrubs. Okay, Rubus fruticosus, it is a shrub. Trees are also found. The apple, peach and Prunus and Pyrus, they are trees. Okay. Next one is the vegetative characters. Its root is taproot and branched. The stem is herbaceous in Fragaria visca, strawberry, while woody stem is found in the shrubs and trees as well. Cylindrical. The spines and prickles and thorns, it is found in roses, Rosa alba, Rosa indica, Rosa multiflora, in Rubus fruticosus and Rubus albifolius. It is known as Carola. Okay, it is a climber. So it has spines, prickles and thorns. The leaf is simple. Compound leaf is also found in them. Orientation is alternate, pinnate and stipuate. Stipule is found in them. Okay. Next one is the reproductive characters. Number first one, inflorescence. So its flower is racemose. Cymose condition is also found in them, while its flower is solitary. Okay. Flower. The flower is epigynous in Pyrus, while hypogynous in the Prunus and polygynous in Roses, while the flower are pentamerous and tetramerous. Penta means 5, tetra means 4. Okay. Epigynous condition is found in Pyrus, apple and Nashpati. Hypogynous in Prunus persica, Prunus domestica, Prunus amygdalus, Prunus armeniaca. Polygynous in rose, Rosa indica, Rosa alba, Rosa multiflora, Rosa hybrida. Okay, Rosa chinensis, different species of roses. Calyx, it has 5 sepals. Green in color, fused together, attached, give protection to the flower during harsh weather, stormy weather. Okay, rainfall. Corolla, the petals are 5 and ranged up to numerous. 5 in Pyrus and Prunus. Okay, white in color. Okay, sometimes pink in color, reddish in color, while infinite in roses. Polypetalous, poly means many, petals are many. The petals are white, pink, red and yellow in color, especially in roses. Rosa alba, Rosa indica, Rosa multiflora, Rosa hybrida and Rosa chinensis. Okay? Androecium, male reproductive flower. It has 5 stamens, mostly multiple of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We will write it as 5x. The stamens are indefinite while the anthers are small. Gynoecium, female reproductive part of the flower. It is monocarpellary in Prunus, Prunus domestica, Prunus emergrinus, Prunus armeniaca, and 5 in Pyrus, Pyrus malus, Malus pumila, Pyrus marcia and Pyrus communis. Okay, while rose having infinite carpels. 3 conditions are found in them. The placentation is basal, its fruit is drupe. Drupe is found in the Prunus persica, Prunus domestica, Prunus emergrinus and Prunus armeniaca. It is drupe. Berry kind of condition is found in Fragaria visca, blueberry, raspberry and strawberry. Apome and achene kind of condition is also found in them. Pollination occurs through insects as it has colorful petals. The insects are attracted by them, which sit down on them, and through the insect pollination occur. It is known as entomophilous flowers. Okay. Next one is floral formula. It represents the complete flower, perfect, bisexual. Sepals are 5, petals are 5 and range up to indefinite, infinite. The androecium, the stamens are multiple of 5, while the gynoecium, the ovary, it range, the carpels, it range from 1 to 5 up to infinite. Monocarpellary condition is found in Prunus, while the polycarpellary kind of condition is found in the roses. Okay. Especially Rosa alba and in some infinite. Okay. Next one is the economic importance of this family. As you know that this is one of the most important family. Its members are used as a fruits. It has a great ornamental value and also having medicinal importance. Different kinds of alkaloids, flavonoids and terpenoids, they are extracted from them. Research work is also conducted on them regarding the phytochemistry, biochemistry, on their spores, spore morphology, palynology, especially on taxonomy, and new species are also introduced in this family as well. Perfume is made from the roses. Gulkand is also made from them. Regarding the fruits, it has a huge importance as the apple, Pyrus, strawberry, Prunus. They are used as a source of health. It has different minerals, vitamins and proteins are found in them. Different micronutrients and macronutrients are found in them. We should to eat 1 apple a day. It keeps the doctor away. Okay? And the seasonal fruits are also, we should to eat them. Especially the dry fruits, badam, okay, alucha, khobani, nashpati, apple, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, they should be eaten on their season as well. Medicinal, different alkaloids, terpenoids, they are obtained. Research is also conducted on them. And perfume in Paris, France, different kinds of perfume is made from them. In Bulgaria, they grow the roses on acres, okay, and then they export them to the other countries. So it was all about the family Rosaceae. I think you all have enjoyed this lecture and may have learned a lot of new things. If you like our YouTube channel, so subscribe it, keep watching it, like our videos, and give us your precious feedback as well, and how we can make improvement in our next videos. Thank you so much.